Yahay! Yeah. Yeah. Dancing, dancing. The battery is weak. Or the batteries. We need to change the batteries of El Toro Loco, Maya. Let's turn this off.
I didn't open it.
There's a switch. You see? Now it's off. Who? Grave digger! I see grave digger. Look. Okay, do it, Maya.
Let's go down.
Reverse, Maya. No, reverse. Reverse it. Oh, okay. Another 360 donut?
Yeah.
Go!
I think it's...
Wow, wheelie! Wheelie time! 360 donut! Very good, Maya girl. Yeah! Max D! Uh-oh. Group hug. Group hug. Hey guys! Baby boy Marksland! How are you guys? Ooh, another unboxing time. Another unboxing day with Maya and Markslin.
Puppy.
Huh?
Puppy.
Oh, yeah, she's pretty. What's her name? What?
Sorry.
Huh?
Sorry.
Star cake?
Oh, sorry.
What?
Sorry.
Oh, okay. Alright. Okay. What is that, Markslin? What are we going to unbox today? Sparkle?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's sparkly. It's just like it's cloud.
Sparkly. Okay, sparkly. Okay. Mommy Rhea, Markslin is calling you.
Mommy. Hello.
Unboxing time. Mommy Rhea, what's up? How are you today?
Good.
Alright, nice to know. Can you get that box?
Okay.
Markslin is holding another box.
He wants to open it.
New Bright RC Monster Jump Truck Maximum Destruction, or Max D for short, with crash sound ramp. Full function RC. Oh yeah, nice. Mommy, can I see the back of the box? Oh yeah, I see Grave Digger, El Toro Loco, and Max D. Dual joystick controller. Up to 80 feet range. Nice. Alright. The side of the box, Mommy. Okay, look at those trucks. Oh yeah. The other side. The front again, Mommy. Oh yeah, Max D. Ooh, cuddle, cuddle. Look at them. Cuddle, cuddle. And what is that dinosaur, Mommy? Wow. Animal Planet's Dino Transport Mission. What is that? A T-Rex? Is that a baby T-Rex?
No, it's a mom T-Rex.
A what?
A mom T-Rex.
A mom T-Rex? But it's so small.
And
T-Rex dinosaurs are big and tall. Maybe it's a baby. Or a kid. The back of the box, Mommy.
this dinosaur. The mom?
Oh yeah, that's a big T-Rex. That's a big one.
Black.
Does it make a sound, Maya?
Let's say Maxie.
Does it make sound?
Sit down.
Yeah.
Oh, how did you do that? Okay. He likes it. Markslin likes it. Dino Transport Mission. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a T-Rex. It says on the box, transport the mighty T-Rex with your truck back to the Cretaceous period. Oh yeah. Baby boy Markslin. Baby boy. Maya spinning, spinning.
I almost got it.
You're getting dizzy, Maya?
No, drop.
Drunk? Okay.
Yeah.
Cuddle, cuddle. Cuddle, cuddle. Sweet, 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 sweet. Okay, Mommy, let's unbox this first. The Transport Dino Truck.
Okay, I will see if it's going to run. If it can run,
Whoa! Alright. What's wrong, Maya? You are drunk?
Maybe easy.
That's right.
No, because she keeps spinning and spinning. That's why. She keeps spinning and spinning around. Okay, yeah.
Not again.
A dino truck. A dino transport truck. What, Maya? What did you say? You are a pony? Maya is a pony. Maya is a pony. Look, Marksland is emulating you.
Okay.
He's doing what you are doing.
Okay.
Okay, and there is the T-Rex. The Tyrannosaurus Rex.
I have a Kimmy Mars.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey boy, what are you looking at, Marksland? He likes it. Nyahay!
Cold.
Don't put it in your mouth, Marksland. Silly baby.
Mommy, make me cold.
You feel hot, Maya? Why? Because you keep moving and moving. That's why. The lights, yeah. The lights too add to the reasons why it's so hot in here.
I was just snowing.
Okay, let's get Marston. Come on.
Yeah, hi! Monster Jam Zombie! Monster Jam Zombie!
More goldie here.
Hi, Maxland! Okay, mommy, let's try the truck. Let's play with it. So how do you play with it? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Yeah! Shaky, shaky! Shaky, shaky! What else?
Mine wants myself.
Oh no, the truck crashed! It crashed because of the baby boy!
No, it's giant.
The giant baby boy! Shaky, shaky! He's laughing! He likes it! He finds it funny!
It's jumping. It's jumping. Jumping
Yeah.
up and down. It's jumping. It's jumping.
No, Maya, it doesn't run by itself. It's just a revving sound.
Marson can push it.
Yeah, it's a push-along truck.
Marson.
Push and pull. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, but he makes you tired.
No. Yay! Yay!
Jumping. Jumping up and down.
He finds it funny.
Yeah.
It's jumping.
Yeah, the jumping T-Rex dinosaur.
Wing. Wing.
Beep beep. Bang. Bang.
Where's that one?
Where's going to give it?
Huh?
Where's going to give it?
What do you mean give it?
Where's going to put it?
Oh, just leave it there, Maya. Okay, mommy, let's unbox Maximum Destruction. Yeah. Okay, mommy. Max D. Maximum Destruction. Markslen, a happy baby. Yay! The jumping T-Rex dinosaur.
Let's go the snake. Let's go the snake.
What name?
Roxy.
Roxy?
The Roxy.
Rexy?
Everybody likes to say Roxy.
Okay, Rexy. Alright. Rexy.
You think that thought to take this to bubble bath?
What?
We need to take this to bubble bath.
Okay.
Over the bubble bath.
Okay, the crash sound ramp. Yeah. Motion sensor. Oh yeah. And beep 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 beep. And beep beep. Shake it. Oh yeah, the shaky T-Rex dinosaur. Yeah.
I'm pushing my bings.
Baby boy. Okay, there is the controller. Okay. New Bright Monster Jam RC Dual Stick Controller. Okay, Maximum Destruction. Oh yeah, look at those spikes. Awesome. Max D. What are you doing?
It's rapping.
You are tickling him. Tickle. Tickle. Yeah. Okay, back to Max D. Wow. It's a nice looking truck, Mommy. Don't you agree?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, time to put batteries, Mommy.
Okay.
2 AAA batteries for the controller and 2 AAA batteries for the truck. Yay! What are you doing? Push-ups?
That's you're tired.
Baby boy! Okay, turn it on. Okay, Mommy. Yeah. Max D. Wow, it's fast.
How about this?
Oh no! Markslen caught it. Oh no! It's alright, Markslen. Markslen, I was just kidding. I was just fooling, Markslen. Yeah, hi. Okay. Alright, Maya.
There's this one. There's this.
I know. They have the same frequency. Those two controllers.
Yeah.
They have the same frequency.
Ah.
Go, Maya, drive it.
Come on, Maya. Is this the right one?
Yeah. It's working, so it is.
I'll make a spin.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. I'll make a spin.
Okay, 360 spin. Can you? Or it's hard?
No, it's my
Yeah, do it. 360 donut. Do it. Oh, there you go. Wow, smart. 360 donut. Wow, you're so good, Maya. Yeah. Wow, 360 donut. 360 spin. Like a real monster jump truck. Oh yeah. Maya is awesome.
Yeah.
Good job.
I want mommy.
No, mommy cannot do it. Hey, baby boy. That's Mohawk Warrior. Mohawk Warrior. Oh yeah. Hehe.
Thank you.
You very good, Maya.
Let's
Yeah.
try this.
Yeah, backflip.
Mommy. Okay, move that. I'll make you move. No, move that.
She wants to do a 360 spin. Donut. Donut. Woo. Nice. Donut. Yeah, there you go. Woohoo! Maya is so good. Nice one, Maya. Awesomeness.
Baby Simba this.
What, mommy?
Take that.
Take that. Yeah.
What's in the time?
Monster Jam.
What's
Oh, what's that?
Ooh, a mosquito. Mommy, hit it with the Monster Jam truck. No, no, no. Oh, it flew.